If I were to become fitness creator and other influencers, here's how I would do it step by step because you are a Instagram influencer and not a creator. Because creators make money out of their content and influencer just get attention and didn't make a shit out of it. I regularly see grown-up adults posting shirtless content and their dignity on reels only to be seen as an unrespected clown. But when it comes to Alex Eubank, Jeff Newport, or Dr. Mike, people see them in a different lens. So, what is the mistake that you are doing and they are solving? Let's get to it. Mistake number one, you don't have a unique angle. You're just a random TikToker who's standing shirtless, posing in the camera on some music, and making your edits. But that's not what gets you the business. Sure, it has its own plus points, and we will get to that in a minute, but most of it just goes to waste. And here's how you can optimize. Show what you are behind the camera. He's a guy who lives like a beast after his low paying job or his college assignments or being taunted by his parents or peers of choosing a healthy lifestyle. Just choose your specific unique angle, which is only meant for you. Mistake number two, you never build relatability through stories. People follow jacked guys who show their physique, but people buy from the ones who either suffered like them or are on a pinnacle of knowledge and expertise. And if you are that, you might not even need this video and be already making it million. Anyways, for the ones who still struggle, this is for you. Tell stories like I used to complete my protein on a budget, or I was bullied because of being skinny or fat, or maybe your story could be girls used to shoo me away. Okay, let's take this normally. And say girls used to run away from me. Anyway, you get the point. Build relatability and share the same problem as them. Mistake number three, you don't sell like a creator but like a fucking clown in the DMs. Stop chasing people. Don't beg in their DMs like need a workout plan. Top creators never do this. They build funnels and systems that do the talking for them. So just replicate them and let your funnels do the talking. Give free value upfront, then point to your premium. That's how top creators build trust and their brand. Mistake number four, design a 3-layer content stack. You should not be posting random edits. What else you should be doing is build a 3-layer stack. That includes top layer where you post most of your viral trendy reels, drive eyeballs to your page, which you like the most. Then comes the middle layer, tactical tips, walkthroughs, gym vlogs to build a deeper connection among your audience. And at last, but the most important is the bottom layer, which is some deep insights, deep videos, detailed advices for the offer you are planning to launch soon. And that's what gets you most of the business. Mistake number five, no free value upfront or no lead magnet. You think if I give advice for free, I would be broke, but guess what, you are as now. So don't beg for attention. Earn it by giving 10 extra value for free, but what others would charge for. As Alex Hormozy says, give away so much for free that people feel guilty not buying from. In exchange for emails, followers, or just story tags, drop something that hits really hard and make them fall for it. Unlike her. Make a lead magnet irresistible, whether it's cheap protein sources for students or how skinny guys can grow huge arms. Make them respect you even before they meet you. By the way, there's a free guide which will help you in framing and finding your offer. You can find it in the description. And if you're serious about being a long-term creator and not a clowny influencer, just email me at this. Or if you're more of a DIY dude, just check this video right here and it will help. Just remember, don't screw this up.